What's
Yo,
up?
hey,
What's
up?
up, man? Okay.
So, this is our home.
Yup. You guys gotta make sure that you take your shoes off at the door, you know? Exactly, yeah. So we're gonna give you guys the official tour of our crib. So we should start off in my office right here.
Keep in mind, we just moved, so there's a lot that we
nice.
still have to do.
So as you guys can see, there's the gaming setup right here. My PC isn't set up right now, so excuse that. As you guys can see, I'm in a party right now. We're playing Fortnite. You know, Fortnite is life. Got some stuff over here, some games over here. Got some YouTube plaques over here. A rug that we haven't used yet. Should probably get it used pretty soon because this is super soft.
Oh, it's the best rug.
So yeah,
It's the best.
if you guys want to feel it, make sure you go ahead and feel it.
I wouldn't.
I would. It's nice. It's soft, right? It's nice.
During Hurricane Harvey, it was definitely effective.
So right
I'm not
here
joking.
is a guest TV. It's a guest TV because it doesn't work anymore.
Yeah, so our guests, we let them use that TV because we prefer our own. Oh, let's actually show you guys over here.
Over here is supposed to be the dining area where we paying up for the dining table. So you're just like, you know what? We're gonna put like the air mattress right here. Guests can sleep over here. You know?
Do you want to tell them the meaning of this right here? Or maybe I should. Okay, so this right here is to protect us from evil people coming in our house. People who are jealous, envious, you know, it's just protection. So always bring your protection. We also got other protection in this house, if you know what I mean. So let's go. We're gonna show you that protection.
Over here is the kitchen. You know, this is where I put my work in. Make a lot of mac and cheese, some ramen noodles, some fried chicken, some Kool-Aid. You know how it goes.
Yeah.
Lovely kitchen.
He always cooks for
Let
me.
me give you guys a sneak peek of the refrigerator. Wait, hold on, let me check first. Okay, yeah, we got some stuff. All right, bet. So this is what it looks like inside the refrigerator. How you gonna keep your tampon in the refrigerator? Anyway, so let's go.
Oh, show them the freezer.
Oh, the
this
freezer.
is what we working with.
Yeah, a lot of waffles, a lot of pizza, you know?
And pantry. You want to show them the pantry?
Oh yeah, I forgot. You can show them.
So this is where we had the food. So, you know what I mean? We got everything you could think of. Donut sticks, you feel me? Top ramen. You never forget your roots. Never forget where you came from, y'all. We got that top ramen, you feel me? Rayo's, this is our favorite spaghetti sauce. Nate actually is really good at making spaghetti when he does cook. And of course that matcha latte tea. You know, let's just go. Let's go. You don't deserve to know all my secrets. So.
Over here is the laundry area. This is where your clothes, you know, goes to clean whenever Michaela feels like cleaning. You guys can see she has a lot of clothes in there right now. Probably been in there for like a solid 2 weeks. She barely uses it.
Actually, I just washed them and I'm gonna put them in the dryer.
So why are they in the dryer while wet right now? Okay. So right here is the garage. You guys can see we have a 3-car garage, but I only keep the special cars inside. The not so special cars go outside. As you guys can see, got the McLaren right here. 570S, super fire, favorite car in the world.
Yeah, we have our poor people car outside. That's the Range Rover. Do they really need to see the range? I don't think so. You guys know what a regular person car looks like.
Over here is the living room. Got a super comfortable couch right here. You guys can see, you know.
Yeah, we dropped like, how many bands on this?
I don't know, but this is where we watch the game, or where I watch the game, you know, the soccer game, football game, whatever game's showing. Have a nice little fireplace over there. Has a remote that we actually press and turn it on. I have no idea where the remote is. Last time I remember, Michaela had it in her butt. So, let's go outside. It's kind of cold outside, so make sure you guys have your jackets on.
I don't need one because I'm already hot. So this is where all the real magic happens, in this jacuzzi. right? We nasty.
As you guys can see, we got the swimming pool over here. A lovely backyard that Michaela usually comes outside and sprinkles water over it to make sure, you know, the grass is green and the trees stay growing. Has a lake in the backyard. I don't know if you guys can see those ducks over there, but they're waiting for us to go outside and feed them because we usually take the bread outside and feed them, so they be waiting. So
we are definitely good people.
Yo.
We feed birds.
So you guys see how cold it is right now outside. You guys wearing your jacket. We got the fireplace right here as well.
Real
TV over here as well. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. Then we have a grill over there, refrigerator. Now back here. There's a nice little table. This is where we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you know, as a family. This is my favorite part right here. I don't know if you guys use this, but this is what you call a Keurig. You lift it up like this. You put in whatever you want, hot chocolate, coffee, whatever, and then it gets to brewing.
Yeah. That's rich people stuff. All right. So let's actually go upstairs. Which stairs do you want to pick?
Well, you want to go upstairs or you want to show them the bedroom?
I mean, all right.
Oh wait. So I usually use this toilet right here because I don't like the smell of my room when I use the toilet. So I had to choose the furthest one from my room. Michaela has no problem with smelling up the room, so she uses the room.
To be honest, I don't poop every night. It's like every other night. So. Anyways, I'm glad he uses the guest bathroom because the guests can smell it. So this is our bed. We used to have a California king, but we moved to Texas, and now it's just a king. Yeah, you know, I got my laptop. I do all my work on. Vlogging camera, all the essentials, but I don't want to show you too much. So this is our bathroom.
Over here we got a swimming pool. How many people you know have a swimming pool like this in their crib? Exactly.
Yeah.
We got a lovely shower. You can walk in from this side and then come out the next. 2 shower heads, as you guys can see. You know, if you want some soap, some shampoo, you just do this, you know? Simple.
And the thing is, Nate always has like an extra pair of underwear because he stays fresh, you know? He's always fresh.
Got a pillow right here for when I'm trying to blast music. You can shower at the same time.
Yeah, this toothbrush is like $500, you know? We're just expensive people.
Over here is a closet, as you guys can see. We have a walk-in closet. We could make this a bedroom if we really wanted to, but we was like, what the heck? We have enough bedrooms. Until we have more guests, we're gonna keep it a closet. Over here, this is the pooper that Michaela uses.
I keep it clean. Now I always have extra toilet paper on deck. That's essential. Because sometimes, I'm telling you, whew, I need that toilet paper. Alright, so we're gonna finally go upstairs. I wanna warn you, I do have a pet dog. And it's in one of the rooms. It does bite.
Here.
Oh, wow. That's had this the whole time?
Yeah.
Damn.
Pool sticks, TV on the wall. We also got a ping pong table, but it's not set up yet. We actually have 2 ping pong tables. One's in the garage, one's in the room that you guys are about to see right now.
Fridge.
Refrigerator. Make sure you guys see this. This is really important. I bought this at Walmart for the low.
Let love it.
That's why you can't forget what you came from, you know? We still shop at Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
And Costco to keep the cost low. This is our storage room.
Got storage.
So yeah, this is our storage room because like we said, we just moved and we're still going through everything.
Yep. In here, we got another ping pong table that we haven't set up yet. Some TVs, you know. Ah, man. A vacuum. Haven't used it yet.
It's a shampoo vacuum, you know, because we're
Ear
rich.
mattress. Over here we got Michaela's office.
This is where the magic happens? Yes.
Yeah.
Set up.
Got this. She got a ring light, a tripod, wallpaper, piano, the works, makeup, whatever she needs.
I do it all in here. It's a little messy because, you know, I've been working, but that's what you do.
Hard.
You keep it messy when you're working hard. All right. Can't let you guys see too much.
Very good restroom right here.
So next, I'm gonna show you some of my guest rooms. So this one right here is still in the progress. You know, we're still building this guest room. But if you come in here, it's actually a Jack and Jill, and it's locked. So we're gonna have to go around. Sorry, we have guests staying here. They like things private. So this is a guest room that we have some friends staying in. I don't know if you know who they are, but it's, anyways, I don't want to say too much, but this is their room, right? All this stuff. I don't know. Here's their walk-in closet. Kind of just step in. It's a step-in closet. All right. So now that I've shown you
Wait,
those
hold on.
rooms.
You forgetting my gaming setup. I have another gaming setup right here. You guys can see I got my laptop right here. Alienware to be specific. You guys can see. Got my Xbox controller right here. I switched from Xbox to PS4 because Xbox was trash. Got some big balls over here. Still in the box.
Over a band each, don't forget.
And over here, this is what the magic happens. We lay down on the floor and just watch movies whenever we feel like.
Yeah.
This is the movie room.
Yeah.
We actually just watched Countdown in here like last night.
Yeah, we did.
Michaela was scared as hell. She was so scared she ran out the room.
I did. It was so scary, but it's so great. Like, we literally have our own movie theater in here. We're about to put like a popcorn machine,
Yeah.
an icy maker, all that.
Yeah, it's about to be crazy lit.
Dope.
All we're missing is some pillows.
Oh, and chairs. We have chairs. They're supposed to be shipped soon, but you know, they're from Italy, so.
Yeah.
All right. So now we could go down our other expensive staircase.
Where is it?
I'll show you where it is. You missed it. It's literally right here.
Oh, I didn't see that.
You know what, babe? Do you really want to show them the poor people car?
Oh, I don't know what the four-person car is.
Oh, the Range Rover.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe we shouldn't. That was definitely part of our humble beginning.
Alright, y'all, so you guys seen the crib, you seen the rooms, you seen Michaela's toilet, you seen her take a tampon out the refrigerator. With that being said, we got stuff that we gotta do. So right now it's time for y'all to get the hell out. You ain't gotta get home, but you gotta get the hell out of here.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Well, have a good night. We about to get freaky.
In the gooey.